Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Wipro Garnet 5-watt LED table lamp. On the front of the box, we have an image of the table lamp itself. On the left hand side, we have a few of the salient features which include soft and glare-free light, adjustable design, easy touch control, and a dimmable lighting setting. Over here, we have a few of the technical specifications which include the material used in the construction of this lamp, which is ABS plastic. Power is 5 watts, voltage is 220 to 240 volts, and color temperature is cool white. On the right hand side of the box, we have an illustration of the adjustability and rotation of the lamp. Over here, we have some importing and manufacturing information. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of an instruction manual. It is quite brief, but we recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the lamp. We also have the power supply cable, which has a USB Type A interface on one end and a barrel type connector on the other. The overall length of the cable is approximately 5 feet. Coming to the lamp now, we can see that it has a white color theme going for it, and all across the lamp we have a matte white finish. The arms are quite adjustable thanks to these two hinges, which give it a lot of rotation and adjustability. You can also fold it up for easy carrying. The base of the lamp has some Wipro branding, and underneath the branding we have a few touch sensitive controls. From the left we have the power button, and progressively on the right we have the buttons to control the brightness of the lamp. Underneath that we have power connected symbol. On the bottom of the base we have 6 anti-skid pads, so if you keep the lamp on a smooth surface it won't move around too much. We also have a sticker that has some of the technical specifications which we already read off the box. So let's see this lamp in action now. Here we have a power strip with a power adapter on it. We will be using the power supply cable that has been provided. The barrel type connector has its corresponding unit on the back of the lamp. And now we can use the controls to basically control the lamp. So this was the unboxing of the Wipro Garnet 5-watt LED table lamp. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.